Peacock birds. Peacock birds, scientifically known as Indian Peafowl, Pavo cristatus, are large and colorful birds native to South Asia, specifically India, Sri Lanka, and surrounding areas. They are well known for their striking plumage, which consist of iridescent feathers in vibrant hues. Male peacocks, called peafowls or peacocks, are renowned for their elaborate and ornate display during courtship. They have a long, colorful train or tail, which is composed of highly elongated upper tail covers. That are adorned with stunning eye-shaped markings called ocelli. These ocelli have a shimmering appearance and can be displayed and fanned out in an impressive manner during courtship rituals. The rest of the male's body is predominantly blue with a crest on its head. Female peafowls, known as peahens, are less flamboyant than males. They have a more subdued appearance with brown or grey feathers. Allowing them to blend into their surroundings for better camouflage. During nesting and rearing their young, peafowl are ground-dwelling birds that are omnivorous. Feeding on a varied diet of plants, insects, small animals, and reptiles. They are relatively large birds, with males reaching lengths of about 2.3 meters, 7.5 feet. From beak to train tip and weighing around 4 to 6 kilograms, 8.8-13.2 pounds. Females are smaller, measuring about 0.9 to 1.1 meters, 3 to 3.6 feet, in length and weighing around 2.75 to 4 kilograms, 6 to 8.8 pounds. Peafowl are known for their distinctive calls, which are often heard during the breeding season. Meow, or help, while the female has a more subdued call. Peafowl have been domesticated and are sometimes found in parks, gardens, and zoos around the world due to their captivating beauty. They are considered symbols of beauty, grace, and extravagance in many cultures and are often associated with themes of pride and display. Please subscribe our channel.